One of those concepts was a social age clock proposed by a psychologist called Newgarten.
How can I break out of those norms? Because I wanted to write, I took up poetry, I performed at a lot of stages.
Both of us had a rough journey, a bit of.
Be very mindful of what we are talking today. It's not about success. This conversation is about starting something.
Yes. Hi, Supriya.
Hello, Sai. So finally, we are having this conversation.
Yes. Thank God.
थैंक गॉड सीरियसली हो ही नहीं पा रहा था शुरू तो इस वीडियो में वी आर जनरली एंड मेनली गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग एट एनी एज सिंपल सी बात है हम लोग कई बार लाइफ के परसूट में वी मिस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी मिस आउट ऑन यू नो आर artistic pursuits or something that we used to play earlier. तो उसी के बारे में छोटी छोटी बातें करने वाले हैं. I have given up my engineering career and took up writing and later on became a marketer, travel marketer. Because I wanted to travel, I took up traveling. Because I wanted to write, I took up poetry. I performed at a lot of stages. So spoken word मैंने poetry किया था कुछ time के लिए, right? So similarly with Sai also. Sai, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. I'll try to establish some credibility here so that मतलब जो भी हम लोग बात करेंगे there should be some weight on it. So I'm Sai Krishna. So I have secured All India rank 125 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2025, which was this year. So, and prior to this, I have graduated from BITS Pilani in 2016. I have worked in IT for 5 years, the corporate experience, and I am currently posted in Andhra Pradesh as a state civil servant. We call it PCS, as a block development officer. So both of us had a rough journey, a bit of a rough journey. मतलब it's all about perspective. Rough बोले या challenging बोले या interesting बोले. So it's all about the perspective. In the hindsight, it feels interesting to me.
हमारी जर्नी ऐसे चली है कि हमने बहुत सारी चीजों को स्टार्टिंग में ट्राई किया और फिर उसके बाद कुछ गिव अप करके या कुछ चीजों को शेल्फ करके हमने थोड़ा टाइम सोचा ओके लेट्स गिव आवरसेल्व्स दिस मच टाइम और फिर उसमें हम देखते हैं कि क्या वर्कआउट कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है एंड एक्चुअली व्हेन वी डिड दैट व्हेन वी यू नो जस्ट पिक्ड अप 2 or 3 थिंग्स आउट ऑफ द होल प्लेटर जिसमें हम लोग को बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट था तो काफी वर्कआउट की चीजें हैं in the beginning the security of money is also important so you are figuring your life out and then because you have to make a career out of something or you want to have expertise in something you actually go on and choose one particular career and then go on in it but I have seen a lot of people from my colleagues and from my friends who are actually wanting to jump out of that particular thing that they were doing earlier and now they want to build something out of their own the things that they call their love or their passion right जैसे किसी को poetry में या pottery में किसी को interest है या फिर किसी को games कोई पसंद है बहुत ज़्यादा
Consulting, games, music, arts as a wider definition. तरह तरह की चीजों people want to switch their careers, people want to make money out of their interests. So that's the trend I have seen, and we often get stuck in certain financial commitments and psychological fixation. So जैसे आपने बोला है like how to start anything at any age, so I could recall two very interesting concepts from psychology. I have studied psychology for my civil services examination. One of those concepts was a social age clock proposed by a psychologist called Newgarten. So ये बहुत simple concept है. तो we have socially constructed suitable timings for every life task. ठीक है, you can get married in in this range of age. You can focus on career. It's best to focus on career during this particular age range. You can focus on kids. in this particular age range. You should be guiding someone else in this particular age range. You can play games in this particular age range. तो ये सब social perception से बने हुए social age clocks. So these also vary from culture to culture. So हम ज़्यादातर we hesitate from switching on to any new career trajectory owing to uh, one of the limitations ये social age clock बन जाता है कि
And अगर मुझे लगता है if we want to break out of this social age clock, what we can do is if we have some role models in place or some of our friends who have already done this, because मेरे साथ
yeah,
ये
that's a
बहुत
very
बड़ी
easy way
problem
out.
हुआ
That's
था.
a very easy way out.
That's
Yeah.
an easy way out. So
Yes.
what do you think if we do not have role models, or let's say
Hmm.
I'm coming from some backward community और मेरे पास वो access नहीं है, मैं किसी town में रहती हूँ, cities में तो अभी बहुत easy है.
Right.
Let's say मैं किसी town में रहती हूँ and I want to see कि how can I break out of those norms? Then what do you think? What can be the way out?
You mentioned it right. Norms. That word itself solves your own problem. So you are trying to conform to norms.
Yeah.
Like मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि like you be rebellious and go outright challenging the social norms. In the end, we live in a society. We need each other.
Yeah.
We need parents. We need relatives. मतलब बहुत it's a very popular ranting topic to make jokes out of relatives over involvement in our life. But they are the ones who come to support us in the times of crisis. So we live in a society. We need not outright challenge the social norms. So, but how to fit in at the same time how to realize ourselves. That's the question. That's the practical question here. So in that sense, there is a concept called Madhyama Marga. So we try to hit a balance, right? That balance is what is running the entire universe in various analogies you can take. So that's the balance that we tread on. ठीक है? So I'd say you try to take those into account while making decisions, no? So while breaking out of any particular streak, IT का job, well-paying IT job है आपके पास, and you want to pursue a career in music, so yeah, get an IT job which can balance your passion with music. ठीक है, compromise a bit on your pay and get a job which can give you ample amount of time and mental space to pursue the other love, the primary love. So as I'd suggest do these things. मतलब confirm a bit and go out of the way a bit. वो balance is the practical solution in my opinion.
So आपने एक मध्यम मार्ग की बात किया ना?
Yes.
इससे रिलेटेड क्या होता था बचपन में वी वांटेड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. कई बार हमें डर लगता था. तो मेरी मम्मी की मेरे को बात एक याद आ रही है. सो शी यूज्ड टू टेल अस कि आपको सब कुछ ट्राई करना चाहिए.
राइट.
वो हमको मार्केट भेजती थी, ग्रोसरी शॉप, ग्रोसरीज के लिए, जिससे हमें कैलकुलेशन समझ में आए, 500 नोट के साथ हमें क्या क्या करना है वो समझ में आए. काफी सारी चीजें ऐसे. एंड देन बाइक चलाना मेरे को मैंने बचपन में सीखा.
ब्यूटीफुल पेरेंटिंग दैट यू हैड.
राइट.
यस.
तो वेयर आई एम कमिंग टू इज कि हमारा चाइल्डहुड ऐसी चीजों को बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है. राइट. when we are 25 or when we are 30 we are always looking at the past. कि मेरे को शायद क्रिएटिवली मैं शायद पोएट्री परस्यू करना चाहती थी या मेरे को पसंद था वो करना. एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू नो आई वांट टू चूज इट एज माय करियर. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि करियर शुड नॉट बी जस्ट वन वे स्ट्रीक. करियर कैन बी मल्टीपल.
कंप्लीटली एग्री विद दिस. यस.
मैं एक इंजीनियर भी हो सकती हूँ और मैं एक पोएट भी हो सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक being open to a lot of experiences and experimenting with a lot of things, I think today can give us the edge over others. तो हमें उस चीज को रेस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए कि यार मैं गिटार ही बजा रहा हूँ तो मैं गिटार ही बजाता रहूँ और इसमें बेस्ट होके मैं इसमें कमाऊंगा एंड देन आई विल बिकम द ग्रेटेस्ट एंड द बेस्ट. आई थिंक द एसेंस ऑफ लाइफ इन इटसेल्फ सेज कि आप लाइफ में से लाइफ मत निकालो. Don't go just after money or your work. keep on doing and experimenting with a lot of things.
Yeah, like that sums up the balance part.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's a great understanding that you have derived out of what I've mentioned.
Yeah.
Yeah, इससे मेरे को एक और बात याद आ रही है. So yeah, while pursuing anything new और कुछ भी आप skill सीख रहे हैं, कुछ भी आप pursue कर रहे हैं, let's say you are switching from a within IT ही मान लो, like you are switching from a software engineer to a data scientist. You'll have to learn machine learning, data science के जो theories है, algorithms है, तरह तरह के backdrops, तरह तरह के सॉफ्टवेयर सीखते हैं. So उसमें like in generally to any switch, any particular type of thing that you are starting, incremental effort. So वो concept समझना बहुत जरूरी है, and to realize it in your outcomes from time to time, जो short term, mid term and long term accomplishments के term में classify करके उनको समझना, and to see that incremental efforts are resulting in incremental outcomes, वो बहुत जरूरी है. So I'll give it as an example. So in my case I have recently picked up guitar. So मेरे पास 10 साल से पड़ा हुआ था मेरा गिटार. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, that's the one. So I started picking guitar, but इतने साल से मैं एक song play नहीं कर पा रहा था. So reason being, I used to think it's less interesting for me. I'm not able to make progress. मेरे को शायद बहुत टाइम देना पड़ेगा ये सब. But recently, मतलब ये especially in these couple of months, I had a lot of time and I was picking up guitar every day out of vacuum, out of boredom कि क्या क्या ही करूं, यही कर लेता हूं. So now I'm able to play some song raw in a raw manner, but yeah, I figured it out. So I'm looking forward to what I can attain next. शायद finger picking, ear picking. So वो भी कर रहा हूँ. तो that's what incremental efforts is leading to incremental outcomes. ये acknowledge करना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है to upkeep your motivational levels, to continue your efforts लगाने के लिए motivation बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो ये सब करने के लिए वो उस चीज को acknowledge करना बहुत जरूरी है.
So talking about the incremental efforts, why not let's just pick up how you started and you started your UPSC journey और उसके बाद it's been more than 5 years.
Yes, 5 years.
तो उस 5 सालों में आपने क्या क्या किया? आपने जॉब भी आपने छोड़ दिया था, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
how did you get that courage to leave your job and to hold everything and just keep going with this just one thing? तो उस time पे did you give up on your music? वो सब कैसे किया? तो उसके बारे में बात करते हैं so that we are giving an idea कि okay ये journey में कैसे start कर सकते हैं. तो
yeah, as an example, right? Yeah, as you mentioned, some examples will give you confidence. मतलब कुछ worked out examples. Thankfully, it's a happy ending. I could secure a rank in this. मैं इसके लिए भी prepared था कि मतलब नहीं भी आता है तो I'll get back to my state civil services job है मेरे हाथ में, तो I'll excel in that. I'll see where it takes me. तो as per your question, मतलब as मैंने कैसे start किया, what made me courageous enough to do. Honestly, I was shit scared. But at the same time, I'm a low risk player. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा extravagant risk नहीं लेता हूँ in my own standards. Like कुछ लोगों को मैं बहुत risky लगा हूँ, risk taking लगा हूँ. कुछ लोगों को like मैं अपने आप को it felt like a very calculated and low risk step, because I have ensured I had savings to sustain myself and my family, mom and dad, and in case I get married, तो 3-4 years के लिए बिना जॉब सस्टेन कर पाने जितने सेविंग्स आई कुड इंश्योर बिफोर आई लेफ्ट माय आईटी जॉब. तो दैट वाज द foundation that gave me courage to leave my job in the first place. फिर I kept at it. I have received enough support from you and from my mom, honestly. So, and my sister was working. She has had been a backbone to our family so far. तो ये सपोर्ट मिला है मुझे. So why I'm mentioning all these things is you can't operate in isolation. तो वो बहुत एम्बिशियस हो जाता है एंड देयर आर वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ केसेस. वो इतना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल महसूस नहीं होता हर किसी को. So even if you are seeking out something, like ensure these things are there, so that you if there is a downside, we don't end up in an abyss. So I kept at it. Middle in 2023 I have secured the state services job where I had this ki मतलब कुछ भी होता है इधर कुछ भी workout नहीं करता. I had some fallback option. Already had a fallback option which was IT. I could go back to the same company. I was more than welcome there because I've done a good job while I was there. तो ऐसे चीजें like have so इसका एक bottom line ये है कि have a good network. एक strong network बना लो where you have fallback options and अपने आप के attitude को ऐसे बना लो कि yeah, no matter what the result is, I'm ready to start from ground zero. तो मैं mentally ऐसे अपने आप को बना लिया कि I left the job as a consultant 2, or you can say uh, software engineer 2, or a senior software engineer. So I was mentally prepared to get back to IT in case nothing works out here as a software engineer, simple software engineer 1 in the opening roles. तो यार अपने आप को like don't give any name to what you're pursuing or what you have become. Like be uh, uh, cognizant of the learning process that you are going through. ये चीज मैं ensure किया था. It was hard, it wasn't easy, but yeah, this is my insight from my own journey in the hindsight.
Yeah. And to be very mindful of what we are talking today, it's not about success.
Yeah.
It's this conversation is about starting something.
Yes.
Right? Start karna zaruri hai. So even for me, I had I had a very well-paying engineering role in Bangalore, and then I wanted to pick up writing as my career. So उस time 2020 के आसपास when it was COVID, I thought, how should I start, right? So I approached a lot of publications, media houses. कई जगह से रिस्पॉन्स आता था, कई जगह से नहीं आता था, एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड माई ओन वेबसाइट. थोड़ा खुद का मनी पंप इन करके आई स्टार्टेड माई ओन वेबसाइट, आई स्टार्टेड माई ओन इंस्टाग्राम, एंड वहां पे मैं अपनी चीजें डालती थी. साई ऑल्सो हेल्प मी इन कैलीग्राफी फॉर द पोइट्री दैट आई यूज टू डू. तो यही चीज है कि वहां से स्टार्ट किया, एंड देन स्लोली एंड स्लोली आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग फॉर फ्री, बिल्ड माय पोर्टफोलियो. ये तो ऐसा एक मेन स्ट्रीम पाथ है, लाइक यू कैन डू थिंग्स लाइक दिस अगर किसी चीज में आपको न्यू करियर स्टार्ट करना है तो. बट कई सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है जैसे स्पोर्ट्स और आर्टिस्टिक परस्यूट्स वेर इन यूल हैव अ वेरी यूनिक जर्नी.
It's not about, as she rightly mentioned, it's not about success. It's not, it's about you being prepared, your mindset being suitable to what you are picking up, and to be open enough to handling any damage that is a possible outcome of what you're picking up.
Right.
So yeah.
Right. On that note, I think we'll be closing this chat. It was like a good conversation, very short and quick. Most probably we are going to keep the other one a bit longer if this video gets some good likes. But for now, this is just the beginning. We were just trying it out. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And thank you for watching if you're still watching us, and we'll be pushing out more such videos. Do comment if you have anything, right? If you have anything to say, if you have any questions to ask. So if it is in our capacity, we would definitely help you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye.